debris scattered everywhere. We have major damage. We had grain bins in the middle of the road, tractors. It was absolutely intense.
Welcome to the second season, not of this YouTube channel, but storm chasing season. A lot of people don't realize it, but between mid-September and mid-November, there's usually a couple days that there's a risk of a tornado. A lot of times here in Iowa, Nebraska, and Illinois, we can even have some very strong tornadoes. The chances of that today are very low. We're only under a 2% probability by the Storm Prediction Center's assertion. Is that a good word? I don't know. Anyway, we're out here because one, it's Saturday. It's beautiful. There was concern about cloud cover and precipitation and low temperatures, but I can tell you now that the sun's been out for a couple hours here, it's actually getting a little toasty. There's some humidity in the air and a little bit of energy, some wind out of the south here. Not very strong, but south-southeast is just what we're looking for at those low levels. Upper parts of the atmosphere today are actually looking pretty favorable. And that's going to create some speed and directional shear, which should add to the likelihood of tornadoes. Not expecting a lot, but given the beautiful scenery, I honestly not going to complain. The videos don't really do it justice, just how much driving and waiting, more waiting, anticipating goes into storm chasing. Been sitting here in the back of the truck for probably an hour. And the clouds have thickened up. I think I felt one raindrop. But they're really lacking in vertical growth right now. It's just kind of your typical September, October type of weather, type of sky. It's been very relaxing though. Nice breeze. Drying corn just rustling in the wind. Crickets. When the sun was out, there was actually a ton of dragonflies, grasshoppers all over the place here. Just on this plain old middle of nowhere Class B road. Overall, can't complain. Beats any day in the office. But someday, some form or another, I hope this is my office. That's the goal. Just have to see if I can make it happen. We'll check back in, see if anything develops. cells that have popped up. Just showers at this point. But with only an hour left of daylight, we have to make the most with what we have. is 7:41. We are to the southeast of Red Oak, Iowa, looking at the back end of this tornado-warned thunderstorm. The sun has been set now for at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We are still washing right ahead of us. That condensation being pulled up into the storm, perhaps some rotation. It'll become more difficult to distinguish the darker it gets here. But we are in the right place. Overall, not too bad for the second season here in September. Now we're catching a little bit of that rear flank downdraft, some rain, a little bit of wind, cooler air. Raindrop just hit my eardrum, kind of hurt. And back east. Very cool. Especially at this hour. There's that extra menacing look to it. Eerie at the moment. Power is knocked out, but I don't see any farm lights anywhere around me.